find one right here that is the corner, the end that has a little brown thing on it with green? Or just maybe all brown? I don't know what's going to fit. What do you think goes next? Where does that go? See, that's the end. That's okay. Look, see, this is an end right here?
Yeah.
So it's probably going to go over here.
Yeah. I'm silly, aren't I?
You are so silly. Not quite there.
How about here?
Or maybe it's on the bottom.
Or maybe it's on the bottom.
Hmm.
I'm not sure it goes here.
No, I don't think it does either. That's okay. Let's see. That goes on the bottom. And here's another.
Some music.
You need music?
Let's do this.
Okay. Let's do this thing. Okay, where do you think this goes? Where's more of Piglet? Let's find more Piglet. See, because he's got some face missing.
This better be him.
It's around there somewhere, huh?
It's going to be go here. I wanted it to be pink. Guess what?
What? You did it! Oh my gosh.
Now we
That's
have
so awesome.
too many pieces.
You don't have too many more. Not very many. Okay, where does that one go? Okay, you see this end right here? It kind of goes like that. Something like that maybe. Not that one. Try another piece.
That's brown and the rest of Winnie the Pooh's face.
Oh, look. Look it. You see this spot right here?
What?
This spot has green and brown. Find one of these little nubs that has green and brown. Green and brown. Find one that has green and brown. Find one over here that has green and brown. See if you can find something that fits. I think that might be it. Where does the green and brown go? Holy smokes. That's pretty awesome. Don't you love it when you get a piece?
Where is
Okay.
the other one?
Okay, so now we need a little piece that has some pink on it. Do you have a piece with pink?
I don't know.
Is there one on the floor? Or on your chair?
There's one on the floor.
Get it.
I knocked it off.
Oh, that's what happens. Does it have pink on it?
No, there's a lot.
Uh-huh. We'll see if you can put that in. How does that go? You might have to. Whoa. Good job, Elle.
We have 3 more pieces left.
3 more pieces,
This
you're right.
might go right here. Now some of this.
Does it have any pink on it?
No, yeah.
It does? We'll find some place where it's supposed to have pink.
How about right here?
Well, we already have a piece for there.
Maybe right here. Maybe right here because it has a little bit of pink.
You did it! You found that piece.
Hey, how will I do this one?
I don't know. Where does that one go?
I think right there. Right there.
Maybe it goes over here somewhere. Okay. You only have 2 more pieces now. Don't give up. Think about it. Where do you think this one could go? And where do you think that one could go? Oh my gosh. This is amazing for a 3-year-old. Ta-da!
It's finished.
It's finished. Awesome.
And do it again.
Okay, well later, all right?
Oh.
Say, look at Papa. Look
Look
what
at Big Papa and Nani.
Yeah, you do jigsaw puzzles too, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to throw him a kiss? Okay. Say good night.
Good night.